A small truck parked quietly on the side of the road. Nothing flashy, nothing extraordinary, but in just a few seconds, it transforms into a luxury mobile home. A roof that rises, a wall that expands, and suddenly, what you're looking at is not a truck anymore. It's a home from the future. Today's video is going to surprise you, because this is not a normal camper. This is a BYD light truck converted into a smart, expandable camper that challenges everything we think we know about RVs. Watch till the end, because the final reveal is something most people don't expect. Let's start with the foundation. This camper is built on a BYD light truck, a vehicle normally designed for logistics and commercial use. But here, that same truck becomes the base for a highly engineered camper conversion. Why a light truck? Because it offers strong chassis, excellent weight balance, compact road presence, high load capacity. Every inch of this vehicle is planned to handle expansion without losing stability. At first glance, it looks simple, but that simplicity is intentional, because the real magic begins when the transformation starts. Pop-top roof transformation. This is where things get exciting. With a single control action, the pop-top roof slowly lifts upward. But this isn't just one roof panel. This camper uses a dual pop-top system, creating extra vertical space inside. What does that mean? Full standing height, better airflow, improved lighting, no cramped feeling. The motion is smooth, quiet, and precise. Almost like watching a high-end machine unfold. The materials are lightweight, yet strong enough to handle weather and travel stress. This is engineering designed for comfort and efficiency. Side expansion system. Now comes the feature that completely changes the game. The side wall of the truck slides outward, and just like that, the interior space nearly doubles. Think about it. A vehicle that looks compact from the outside suddenly opens up into a wide living area. This expansion allows space for a larger sleeping zone, comfortable movement, a real living layout. The ceiling system ensures rain protection, temperature control, dust resistance, so whether you're parked in the mountains or in the middle of a city, this camper stays secure and comfortable. Interior living space. Let's step inside. The interior doesn't feel like a truck. It feels like a modern studio apartment. You'll notice clean design, smart storage cabinets, foldable seating, a functional dining setup. Everything has a purpose. Nothing feels wasted. The lighting plays a major role here. Warm lights for relaxation, bright white lights for daytime use. The color palette makes the space feel larger, more open, and more welcoming. This is minimalism done right. Comfort is not optional on long journeys, and this camper understands that. Thanks to the pop-top roof and side expansion, the sleeping area becomes surprisingly spacious. Here, 2 to 4 people can sleep comfortably. The mattress is. Today, you saw how a simple light truck can transform into a high-tech mobile home. This is not just a vehicle, it's a new way of living. If you enjoy videos about future vehicles, smart design, luxury innovation, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment below where would you take this camper first. See you in the next video with another incredible innovation.